Welcome back, guys, to another video. We're going to do another aquarium filter hack for you. If you have an Aqueon QuietFlow 10, is a common filter that's sold with this kit. You can buy the aquarium, the top, the filter, all in one at a big box pet store all together, which we did. Most of you know when you buy any kind of hang-on back filter, you'll be buying new filters and it gets to be costly. I found out a way to make your own filter media, very small fraction of the cost of buying their filter cartridges. So let's just take a look at what we have. Time to glove up. Put on some gloves because it gets a lot of fish poop. Let's pull out the filter. What's cool about these filters is they got lots of surface area for beneficial bacterial growth. So what I've done is essentially, look at all that poop. I ended up taking a filter cartridge that's made for this. I don't have one to show you, but the original filter cartridge has this frame completely enveloped in white poly filter floss all the way around both sides, and inside is a bunch of activated charcoal. Take this frame where you cut off all of the outside stuff, and so you just have the frame. The frame slides inside of this carrier here. Inside this bag, I got some of that roll here. You got this green layer and this white layer here. This is very common in the hobby. Most of you will recognize this. You can find it anywhere. Just take some of this. Line up your filter cartridge on top there. And cut it out. As you can see, there's still some poop on here. I don't always rinse all of that off of there because there's some good bacteria on top. That's all you need out of it. So you can imagine you can make a lot of those out of a roll of this. You can make tons of these off of here, and they last much longer. Anyone that has these filters know that there's a front side. They label it nicely for you. It says front because the water comes up through the filter, filters from the back and then out and then back into the aquarium. This also says front right here. So the fronts go together. There's a slot right there and a slot right here. In the bottom of the filter, there's a piece that comes up in between there. You want this green part to be the first part that the water hits. So when it's facing front like that, take the white and line it up with here. A little cut right there. Get your scissors ready. Put them on that spot. Make a tiny little incision. So you have this filter carrier here. Stick it inside. There's two little flaps on each side. Really easy. Stick it in there. And put one end in there. And it's plastic, so you can easily bend it a little bit. Get it up inside there. Push her down flat. There you go. You have a new filter. Once you get that cleaned up and made to be a frame, then it's just a matter of cutting the filter material. Thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you found this stuff interesting. Share it with people. And we'll see you on the next video.